How to transfer data from iPhone 14 Pro Max to Samsung S24 Ultra. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to transfer all your data from an iPhone 14 Pro Max to a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, quickly, safely, and step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Get your cable ready. First, grab a lightning to USB-C cable. This is the easiest and fastest way to move your data directly between phones. Step 2. Start both devices. Turn on your Samsung S24 Ultra and follow the setup steps. When you see the bring your data from an old device screen, plug in your iPhone. Step 3. Trust the connection. On your iPhone, tap Trust the device. Trust this device when the pop-up appears. This gives permission for the transfer. Step 4. Launch Smart Switch. Smart Switch should launch automatically on your Samsung. If it doesn't, just open the app manually. Step 5. Choose what to transfer. Now, select what to transfer, like contacts, messages, photos, and even WhatsApp chats. Hit transfer and wait. It can take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. Optional. Transfer WhatsApp chats. To move WhatsApp messages, scan the QR code shown in the Samsung using your iPhone when prompted. This will securely bring all your chats over. Step 6. Finish setup. Once the transfer is complete, you can finish setting up your Samsung and sign in to your apps as needed. Extra tip. Don't forget to turn off iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone to avoid missing messages. Just go to Settings, Messages, and FaceTime and switch them off. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to transfer data from an iPhone 14 Pro Max to a Samsung S24 Ultra using Smart Switch. If you liked this video, please subscribe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.